The compression spring is part of your impact driver's chuck assembly. The spring fits over the anvil shaft and applies tension to draw the chuck collar back after a bit is removed. Over time, the spring can fail. This will allow the collar to move freely, which can cause the driver bit to come loose. Replacing the compression spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the hog ring from the chuck. The hog ring fits into a groove on the anvil and secures the chuck together. There's a spring behind the hog ring, so I want to be careful that I don't lose all the parts when the hog ring is removed. I'll use a pick to remove it. Now I can replace the compression spring and place the plain washer over the top. Now install the hog ring. This is a little challenging because you have the compression spring trying to push everything away from the anvil. What I'll do is take a small pair of needle nose pliers and use them to compress the spring. You'll notice that the anvil is dog-eared, and I've aligned the pliers with the dog ears on the anvil so I have some room to work around the spindle. I'll place the hog ring over the spindle . And that's all it takes to replace the compression spring in your impact driver. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.